Once the stain is dry, we can go ahead and sand the surface lightly of the plywood with, and I'm using 220 grit sandpaper, just some light sandpaper just to take off the rough edges. We're going to sand everything again later once we glue it up, but right now we want to make sure that it's fairly smooth. So go ahead and do all the pieces, and when you get to the fins, I want you to also round off the edges just to break those edges so that it makes it a little bit more aerodynamic. You want the leading edge, the side edge, the tip edge, and also the trailing edge. Just go ahead and knock those off, make them nice and smooth. And there's also this strake. This is the front edge with the very sharp angle. The bottom has the little tabs on it. So on that, we want to sand the top because we're not really going to touch this piece again until after we glue it onto the rocket. So knock off those little tabs that held it into the plywood, and then go ahead and round off those edges just to break them nice so that there's no sharp edges for to grab on and get splinters from. Go ahead and sand that, and it takes about 20 minutes to sand everything. Don't worry about the edges of the little parts yet. We're going to sand those later once we glue them up. I think I said that already. So I'll come back in the next video and then we'll start gluing things up.